mind. I can't find no bomb in and I come on for this time. I find two Aki and I can't find a life. I really love you, baby. But you keep fucking playing with me. And my love, I love you, suicide. Wake up in the morning and I see no change. I ask me now, ask myself if blast myself, no, so that's out I will. My born to live forever, tell me that. Me now ask myself if blast myself. So two part did have to go sit down, but I wake up in the morning cause I live right. I got murder on my mind. I can't find no bomb in and I come on for this time. I find two Aki and I can't find a life. I find two peer, but no bomb is the same time. God. Just business. Them say we should take back a chain for the princess, but you hear me now. She do a thing, and the car survives as the chain have to come back in my palm, dog. Because she run out of my palm, she gone, so the chain have to stay, and me have it out. So you hear me now. I really love you, baby, but you keep fucking playing with me. And my love, I love you, suicidal.
Cut. Where is it going? Where is it going?
Yeah, but buy the chain for the bee, man. Now, see me have two top man chain right now. I buy one top woman chain for the princess, the empress, as an emperor.
Yeah.
And she fuck around and take my chain and the man them say,
What fuck around and do?
no, I not broadcast that still. But as a perish, I take back the chain. And I say, I really love her, but she keep fucking playing with me and
so
my love is suicidal.
So you not get the chain?
No, if she get chain, it's the next chain.
No worry. Cut.
I could have reversed.
Cut.
Listen, this old-time gangster.
But, blood, you can, some girl will do something you say, you might have not asked her friends, ask her all of them things, but some things that them bomb buckle like this and never believe.
What pretty girl?
Right now, I quickest thing when I kiss all a girl with my tongue so. Lean on and go around so. Kiss it quick, you pop. I quickest thing when I kiss a ugly girl with her. I bet I'm kissing my every rotten teeth, but I'm out sting. Blood that sting. One of them pretty girl. You can't stay there. No young. I was pussy over there. Right, and I say, there's some girl who so good. Two, we have private soccer. Nothing can go there, go bright it up on a boat. Right, I mean, I tell a town or line, private soccer. And you, if a man will tell you, you know, that girl is so good, you not believe, because you not pretend like that. You don't think all are Christian.
You make them too pretty.
Blood clots, you know. You can't tell them. Not just born yesterday, I talk about a phone time. A phone, hold it more like.
World. Dig ya? Me de pana ya lefu, ha ya lefu, ha ya lefu, la ya lefu, la ya lefu. Me will be champ the devil, champ the devil, champ the devil, champ the devil, champ the devil. Tell them matter, me a pray 24/7. So under me is Eden get champer. Me come like a lion in the jungle. Who and who me worry then fall and stumble. He didn't see me a come and then I stop grumble. Them know when me know them cold and humble. Jobless. But all the one them where you study evil. Them me bump the dragon and the deer and the eagle. Man a true rasta man when you have no vegetable. No fish can pour up on jobless table. Me lep on a higher level. Higher level. Higher level. Higher level. Me lep on a higher level, now a higher powers man a push. Then them say jobless for me, them can't look. If them discharge jobless and get a earthquake shook. Who want thunderbolt? Like a baby, them a puke. I'm out. Me lep on a higher level.
Guys, good night. I must tell you, I am so shocked. This is a normal egg that I got from a friend, and I just heard about it on TikTok about the eggs that are not good, and I didn't know it was here in Jamaica. And here we have where I break the egg. It was hard to break. I had to use a knife to bore it, and the egg have a straight line around it because of me trying to take out the paper that is inside. It break up. Some of the eggs start breaking up. See, look at it. This is the paper. This is the paper that is inside of the egg. This is not a egg, the egg skin. This is not the thing that is inside of the egg. This is a paper that is in there. This is not a normal egg. This is so thick. If you look at it carefully, this part is wet and this part is dry. This is a paper. This is a paper. Guys, I'm telling you, I am so shocked. I can't believe it. This is a paper I'm looking at. and this is how the egg look. It smells like egg. It's almost like a real egg. Nothing is wrong with it. It doesn't look like anything is wrong with it. But guys, these are the things that are hurting people. It is on the news that people are sick of these eggs. Eggs are hurting them. And this is the egg, and it is here in Jamaica. Guys, I can't believe it. There's no egg break. I have this straight lining around, and the egg had the lining around all of it. It's because I was taking out the egg, the paper from it. It comes. See, look at the edge of the egg. This is how the edge of the egg look. How can an egg have a straight lining break when you break it? Eggs normally just break up. Beware, guys. You have to be cautious because this is paper. I don't know why they're trying to hurt us, but this is paper, guys. Please, guys, be careful. It is here in Jamaica. It's no joke. And it looks so real. It smells like the same thing. We're living in, oh God, guys. I looked at, I saw it on the internet and I didn't know it was real, but it is here, guys. Right here.
Yes. And you said to me, say, you have to be the husband at the house. The husband the rule.
Let me say, me have the favorites and favorites and something where earth. Me have it between them.
Yeah, but Karen, if you have a favorite and something, you have to eat off her. You have to eat off her road a little bit.
No, look here. What I know?
Because they won't act up the favorite.
Miss Ellis, tell me, say, she have sex with her husband every night. And she have the same favorite like just like you.
Favorite make you have a feel pain.
Exactly. So, Miss Ellis, I say with her husband and she never have fear pain or her time.
Manhood can long and short. You tell this.
Okay.
They don't understand.
Yeah, make me understand. Make me understand.
You understand the progress me talk about?
Yeah, me just understand what you say. Yeah. So you have a time the belly bottom hurt you. Alright, Miss Ellis.
Look here, when me got the doctor out, I sent Port Mother so at him mobilize me for the ultrasound to take out the fibroids.
Well, Karen, you know, so when you go on the road and act up about the fibroid, you affect your fibroid.
Right.
You know, care me got doctor as a husband?
Husband? Answer a question.
You know, care me got doctor as a husband?
No, me we care God.
Oh, you want sex?
Yeah, well, I that if it, I that you shall tell me now from what day, yeah. You know.
You know, me not say I make no move with me.
Make a move, Sean.
That all you talk about you want, baby.
Yeah, me say that me say, but if you want me
if you make a move, you can't go to the doctor to take out the fibroids.
You hear that, don't you hear that, Miss Ellis? Because me sure tell her, say, Karen, when me care go to doctor.
As a husband.
So me need to tell you that before. Yeah, you married the lady, hold on now. Hold on, me get you understand on Karen. Miss Ellis, before me and Karen, I go to the marriage.
Some of you, as the situation between Sean and Karen, it is getting serious. Trust me. Miss Ellis, big up yourself. This is Jappy Media.
Eh? What that for your beard?
Girl, I give him bun.
What?
Me get a garden and give him bun. More, you know, go ahead. More for sure. Put on the number 1 and I'm gone. Move in the color. Stop touch me. So you put it on my phone. Put it on your mother and go warm him up. When someone warm him, go on. See your mother don't come on inside. So I push him. Push him in your shoes. Touch him? Touch him, Nicola. You get a box and you jump in your mouth. You can jump in your mouth, eh?
Who want me up tonight?
Are you a Bella man?
Positive, no.
So now you fuck Bella in a hole.
You're mad. Stop talking to people them something, you know.
You're mad.
Stop talking to people them so the world are listening to you, you know.
The
life you depart.
So the world.
Yo!
So the world don't say you fuck Bella.
People them so.
You
come man ask on something, you know.
Man ask for something.
Yo, hold on.
Donovan, I threw him in the ocean.
Donovan come beat you up.
You say Donovan on weep. Donovan I eat strong food. Every church and cook. I just have money and send him buy a Chinese food. Donovan no eat.
You're not foreign. But I call you say all day I'm gonna get you. You know they're foreign, you say you're back here. So it's so long. You come right here. Stop the sleeping. Sleep and get a friend. Sleep and get his friend.
I come check me get 5,000.
No, I don't want no free money. I'm not beggar. No, you no, I don't want to volunteer. I'm saying I come to me. I have the tile them, you know, ready, you know. I close the tile over there out at the front. This
but I 5,000 can buy what you want to buy local food.
Hold on. Mama say free is not good.
We not talk about that, Jerry. We not talk about. We don't want to talk about that.
You know why you give me money so? Me not used to that in them world in life.
You know what I'm just giving.
Alright, yo. But do I want to do a day voluntary, you hear me? Me don't want nothing free. Mama say free is not good. No, get the come and think out the 5,000. Go buy my beer and work. No. My mother go away. She said, tell something, you know, my son.
Alright, Jerry, done. You're not done enough. You said me I give 5,000 put them up down by where you have to about voluntary work for.
But me come to quit the tile off the front of the
You don't want to work. You don't want to work, man. Let the people in the yard.
Jerry,
let the people in the yard.
We are tidy,
You don't come out.
We are tidy.
You don't want to tile. Don't get money to buy food. I buy where I can buy tile.
I just want to eat to live, we don't live to eat. We eat to live, we don't live to eat. I mean, I want to fat like you. One like you, they live beside me. Alright, shut up.
Jerry!
No. I want to talk to me about what?
You jealous, no?
Yeah.
What is it, a pussy?
Yeah.
No pussy since 10.
No time.
No time at all. And I want to go.
How far we don't know about it?
They are lies with it.
License.
Yeah, country.
Country.
They're in a town. I
Yeah.
do.
We have to tell some boy out there.
Take it easy, I'm mine. Take it easy, I'm mine. Take it easy, I'm mine. Mine on all, mine. That's mine.
I'm going to take your girl in split of a second.
No, they get girl in split of a second. You know what I do?
Oh, you mean that?
I do.
You're not taking it. Yeah, man, I'm a G, this man, Capucci. Big up your bad, this man. Yeah. The months of the year are?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
The days of the weeks are?
January, February, March, December, 3rd.
Oh,
Yeah.
One Capucci.
One and only.
One.
Special.
Oh. You get the cement and the sand?
Oh,
One bag of cement.
No matter what that just saw.
You went to question the front of the yard.
Bella! Jerry! Bella! Jerry! Bella!
You never have a job for me.
Bella!
You never have a job.
Bella! Jerry!
Yesterday, my cat about Bella, I called 2 man for. Alright, hold on.
Jerry, my bad. See me call up on the work.
Alright, she back a son. So I'm a president, man. Jerry! Me don't know me out, man. I'm talking about my job. I think I want type of work, I do a zillion things daily. Hold on. Alright, so you don't have the Sunday yet.
Jerry, you can call
Jerry!
Alright, yeah, alright.
No, she said you can call her on the phone and talk about that. Don't talk about that on this.
You don't know about that thing. You love me out, man. You know what?
When you say Bella what? Bella!
Eh?
Bella? Go on. Not this way, but I know.
Yeah.
Look around this, this is what you do.
Rose! So you not bring back nothing for me?
I'm not going away. I can't stay in my house.
You not go for it?
Where I was supposed to be my friend.
3 days do a foreign, innit? I wish I
Where's that Jerry?
they do a foreign for 3 days, right? I wish fine.
Oh, you know, so she there for it?
Okay. Shit, public no. And then she got people.
Jerry! Who buy the sand, I call you, and the cement?
Yeah. You know foreign. But I can't even say one day I'm going to get you. You know they're foreign, you're there back here. So it's still so long.
You come right,
sleep on that, stop the sleeping. Sleep on that, a friend. 2 in left before me.
Yeah.
I left me there to finish about the place.
Yeah.
I said as in left.
Eh.
Don't come in rain, come down, and I said them as in left for out of place.
Yeah.
Man, they are gone.
Yeah.
That's how come me and get fit about it.
Yeah.
So me have to run left you.
Eh.
And I said time, you know, me have to run left.
Because I rain.
So think of that, no, me no bother go back over in place. And I know me want to go back over there go finish here now.
Yeah.
Right.
But you can't walk in the rain.
Right.
Eh.
So man say, practice, say fear is a game.
Yeah.
So me want fear is a game and clear him.
Yes.
Not true?
Yeah, man.
Well, alright.
But I want to sit and walk in the rain and a wipe either.
Yes. Private.
Yeah.
You private walk in the rain when time you see one good woman and you love it. And then you walk in the rain, you know.
Oh, yeah, thanks, man.
Yes. Till our sun hot.
Yeah.
Yes. So when you make love in the rain, you know, man, you feel like a king, you know.
Yeah, that was right.
You know, boy, if you make love in the rain, you know.
Yeah.
And so that, you know.
That's true,
You can starve to do that, you know.
Yeah.
I know for that me do already.
They say, I wipe on your private walk in the rain.
Yes, wipe on your private.
Yeah.
Your private weapon.
Yes.
The man you know me I talk about.
Yeah.
And the girl, you know me I talk about.
Yeah, man. No rain, no that shit for
Yeah, I can't wipe a walk in a rain.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Eh.
Walk on the woman and body.
Yeah.
And you wipe and you walk on the windscreen.
Yeah.
Anyway, man. Long time, yeah, I never see you.
Come on, man, I'm
Come at me, oh, yeah. I want that thing, you know.
Come now, come back. Come on, madam, say, be ready now.
I give five with
Long time.
Oh, you don't see me long time.
Yeah, I see about some shit for you. Long time, yeah, I never see you. Come at me, oh, yeah. And I forgot to, you know.
Hey, man, we are too rough.
Oh, sorry about that.
Ready, come down here. My beauty side, come down here. Yeah, my beauty that way. Ready?
All right. What's that? Long time, yeah, I never see you. Why you never come in? Come back, oh, yeah.
Why you never come in here?
No, sing and sweet.
And that's all?
Everyone that was sing and sweet.
So when I didn't come in?
Out of them pop music, out of them.
Ready now, ready.
You meet her. You meet somebody. Yeah, you meet somebody.
So me go walk come in.
Yeah.
So me I come in.
Yeah. No man, I sing and sing all time days. Back in a jazz time. I sing and sing.
Ready.
I sing and sing.
Oh, you swing.
Yeah, you swing and you sweet. We can't pull a dance.
Listen, you gotta teach you how to do
all time dance.
All time dance.
Sing and swing.
Swing a what?
Sway.
Sway.
The whole world is swing and swing.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Swing and you swing. You swing and you swing. Long time, yeah, me never see you. Come back. Oh, I haven't need it alone then, no?
I'm tired right now, you do it. It hurt my head, can you not do it?
Long time, yeah, I do what I want with it. Long time, yeah, me never see you. Come at me, hold you, and...
Peanut butter, what a treat!
Let me hold your hand, girl. Let me hold your hand.
What next one go?
Next one is... yeah, evening time. Evening time!
I don't know that one about
Work it up and now it's evening time. Take out the bank.
What's that?
Yeah, man. I'm still... Evening time! Work it up and now it's evening time. Take out the bank.
Evening time!
Work it up and now it's
Evening time! You said evening time, you said the rest part, ready? Evening time!
Work it up and now it's
Evening time!
Take out the bank.
Evening time!
Evening
time! You have a right. Oh, Gungo piece, evening time.
Yeah, evening time.
Oh.
You know the culture?
Man, if you see you have to blow out it, blood clot, me say God a lie, I tell this come out of it. I me love God and Satan. Satan starts my blood.
What you say? Where you chop it tree, you know?
You come back this way.
Me chop the blood clot tree out. See the tree here? Me chop the tree so. Me say the blood clot, the gold piece of tree I go over so that I see me a chop. You think say that blood clot go over so?
I said go.
No, it go over so but sliding on my pussy clot. Don't out my blood clot. Lick me wrong in a some market to drop in the market to blood clot. Me nail up personal things. Me say God. Hey, you say I make blood clot move. You say I make blood clot move. Yeah, me God me a move. I say no blood clot. Hey, me say I get some fuck. If I lie, me I tell you piece of those come out and you say right blood clot. You say that ready sitting there. Me say I get fuck. Hey, me tell God say. Me no know. It don't look good. No, you man mean for earth or suffer like me. Down to the one in my dead creek. Blood clot. Hey, God.